everyone! Welcome to our another exclusive property tour. We are now at the Alcove. Are you looking for a property na hindi lamang siya basta matitirhan, kundi you can find luxury, elegance, and comfort? If you are, tara, pasok tayo. So, alam niyo po ba na dito sa Alcove, we have lots of properties available. On this side, ito po yung ating mga pre-selling units. And then on this side, meron na po tayong ongoing constructions para sa ating mga units. So, sa nakikita niyo po, meron tayong buhos ngayon para sa kanilang second floor. At yung ating mga bahay po ay made hindi sa precast, kundi sa CHB. So tara, makikita nyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa Alcove. Tayo po ay papunta ngayon sa ating mga RFO units. Alam nyo ba, sabi nga nila, your sanctuary is your home. Kaya, kung ang hinahanap mo ay hindi lang basta matitirhan, kundi merong peace, makaka-relax ka, at when you come home, mafe-feel mo talaga na bahay mo. So tara, ito na yun. Let's go! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating RFO unit. So, as you can see, ito ang kanyang facade. Modern, timeless, tsaka elegance. So, tara, puntahan natin. Meron tayo ditong available na 2-car garage. Meron na rin itong pocket garden. And kapag dumiretso ka, nandito ang inyong laundry area. So, may provision na rin to for laundry area. So, tara, pasokin natin. Are you ready? Welcome to your home! Pagpasok mo pa lang, meron na tayong foyer. Dito, you can welcome your guests. Then, pwede na kayo magsalamin. Makita niyo anong aura niyo for the day. And then, we have here powder room. Here's a powder room. We have here cabinets. Pwede nyo ilagay yung mga bathroom or powder room essentials. And here, syempre, sa foyer. So after nyo magkumustahan, mag-aura-aura, then you can go here sa dining area in which you can feel relaxed. Kasi ito yung ating sample house model na kung saan pag galing mo sa work, syempre pagod ka, higa ka lang dyan. And then makikita mo yung sarili mo dito sa ating napakagandang salamin. Connected tayo sa ating dining. So syempre, as a successful person, meron na rin tayong kitchen dito kung saan pwede kang mag-host ng mga party or gathering, then you can serve dishes. Yeah, so this is perfectly fit para sa mga taong mahilig para sa atin na mahilig mag-accept ng mga guests or ng ating family members. And then we have here provision for gas range. Yan. So, at pwede itong maging model mo when you want to design your own house. And here, meron tayong another room provision. Ito pala, pwede siyang maging 1 bedroom, or hindi kaya mini office, or pwede rin siyang anything you want. Kasi meron din itong toilet and bath. Tara, silipin mo. Okay, so now punta tayo sa second floor. Tara, silipin natin yung master's bedroom. Alam mo ba, sabi nila, one sign of success is maganda yung bedroom mo. Kasi that's the place where you can relax and lie your tired body. So tara, dito yun. So tara, pasukin natin yung ating master's bedroom. Wow! So napakaganda niya, guys. Hindi lang siya basta bedroom. Master's bedroom talaga siya. Napakalawak ng bed. Tapos meron ditong space for your television. And then, this side, ang ganda ng yung walk-in closet. Look at that. Tapos meron ka pa ditong vanity. Diba? So, pwede ka ditong magbihis. And then, you can look on yourself. Tapos, hindi lang yan. Meron pa tayong balcony here. Tapos, yung balcony na to, may view patungkol sa block. Tingnan mo, sa playground. So, if my children ka, tapos nagpe-play sila dito, madali mo sila makikita how much they love to play sa playground, diba? And then, sa ating toilet and bath, we have 2 sink. So, pwedeng isa sa'yo at isa sa asawa mo. Yan, may kanya-kanya kayo lababo. Hindi kayo mag-aagawan pagigising kayo sa umaga at mamadali kayo para mag-toothbrush. And here's the shower and our toilet. High ceiling na rin siya. Ang ganda, diba? Pero ito talagang mapapawaw kayo kasi hindi siya basta typical bedroom. Ang laki niya. And then we have another balcony on this side. So, pwede kayo ditong mag-coffee or if you want to have breakfast in the morning sa balcony, pwede rin. Diba? Parang ganyan. Tapos magbabasa ka dyan ng dyaryo. May dyaryo pa ba? Tapos coffee kayo dyan. Ang ganda, diba? So, if you want to feel success, alam mo, ito na yung para sa'yo na bahay. Now, let's say you have 3 kids. So, this floor is designated for your kids. Tara dito sa room na to. This room here sa 3rd floor, you can have 2 bed. So, pwedeng ganito, pwede namang ipagdikit mo. Nasa sayo kung paano mo gusto. And then, we have here cabinets for your clothes and other stuff. Then, meron din silang sariling bathroom. Diba ang ganda? Hindi common toilet and bath. Talagang may sarili silang toilet and bath. So, imagine, no, yung kids mo uuwi sa bahay tapos pagod sa pag-aaral, syempre, by doing their chores and other school stuff. So, dito, pwede silang magpahinga. And then, they can have a look din sa kanilang mga kalaro or kapitbahay. Here we have balcony. Yan. So, don't worry, safe naman siya kasi meron tayong glass dito. Ayan, hindi sila basta malalaglag. Ayan, so from the balcony, now let's go to another room. So, dito pala sa daanan, meron na tayong working station. Ayan, so usually, pwede itong maging study desk or let's say working desk din. Ayan. So, this area, pwedeng ganito yung maging design mo ha. Pwede ring ibahin. So, now this is the last room. So, ito, ang ganda rin. As in, feel na feel mo, diba? Tapos, wood pa yung kanyang, design. Talagang, naku, kung ako dito, talagang marerelax ako. So, ito, meron tayo ditong balcony din. So, it has access din sa playground. Ayan. Yan. And this room, meron din itong sarili niyang toilet and bath. So, tara. So, meron na rin itong sink, toilet, and shower inclusions. Okay. So, as a recap, nandito tayo ngayon sa Alcove, Santa Monica, Quezon City. So, this area has a lot size of 66 square meter up to 132 square meter. And the floor area varies from 143 square meter to 199 square meter. So, yung mga properties po dito, meron tayong 3-story duplex or quantuplex. And some of the properties here has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, 2 car garage, and 1 powder room. So the house features has master's bedroom with walk-in closet and double basin toilet and bath. And then meron din po itong solar panels, and it has gated community with 24/7 security and CCTV cameras. Kaya naman safe na safe ka. And hindi lang po yan. We also have amenities dito sa Alcove. So we have a resort-style architecture and landscaping, lab pool, kiddie pool, playground, clubhouse with lounge, function room, and gym. So the reservation is for only 100,000 pesos. At hindi lang yan. Alam niyo ba, very accessible itong Alcove kasi yung mga nearby natin na basic needs such as hospital, napakalapit po nito sa Commonwealth Hospital, FEU Hospital, sa malls naman, Robinsons, Terraces, SM, yan, sa mga schools such as NU, FEU, NRM, and napakarami pang iba. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? If you want to have a private tripping or gusto nyo dumalo dito o pumasyal dito sa Alcove, nasa comments or nandito lang yung aking phone number. So that's the recap for the Alcove. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more videos such as this. I am Camille, your real estate associate from H&H Real Estate Marketing. Have a great day and see you sa ating susunod na video. Bye!